let's take a look at the tropical paradise. It's hot outside. There's the little dog. Hey, Macintosh, what are you doing? Jumping around, huh? There's the Guyun garden. There's Macintosh. There's the rescued sago. Glad that it grew, but it's kind of stubby. Sorry, Macintosh, didn't mean to use the term stubby. This guy isn't stubby, but he's not growing yet. He will. Porphyria is doing fine. Elf deer's back there still waiting for this Spinulosa to flush. Everybody else is either getting ready to flush or has flushed already, so hoping it will. Just cross some tropical paradise. What do you think, Macintosh?